Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI's new gaming desktop. So friend, MSI launching new gaming desktop with 13th generation Intel Core processor and friend, its name is the all new Ultimate Revolution MPG Infinite X2 and friend it is equipped with latest 13th generation Intel Core TM i9-13900K processor and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 graphics card for top tier performance and friend MSI silent storm cooling to optimize airflow with its dual chamber design which separate the interior components to keep the system cool and quiet and friend the desktop can be easily opened with thumb screws making potential future upgrades all the easier and friend the MSI MPG Infinite X2 strive to stand out from the crowd with its unique design means it can be comes with unique design and friend it can deliver the best gaming experience and friend. This house is up to 240 EIO liquid cooler and adopt MSI's exclusive silent storm cooling 2 technology to lower system temperature and friend it supports the latest PCIe 5.0 for increased bandwidth and it comes with standardized parts and tool-less design for easy upgradability and friend the built-in high-speed Wi-Fi 6E and 2.5 gigabit LAN offer blazing fast connectivity and friend it is ideal for gaming enthusiasts and can be easily upgraded with new parts over time and designed with the user experience in mind and it has tempered glass that can be easily removed at the side with thumb screws and users can upgrade M.2 SSD without tools. It should be pretty easy to upgrade this machine when needed and friend the EMI complete glass not only provides a clear view of the interior but also enables eye-catching RGB lighting. The lighting effect is customizable through MSI Mystic Light software making it more vibrant. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.